The first thing, first of all, happens after the breakup is we get a haircut.
Or hair color.
Crazy.
This question we
Yeah,
don't get asked, Nikhil.
Yes, we know, dude. I
Right.
got
Same
this.
boxes you are wearing. Imagine ससुराल के घर में यही करेगा. Nobody.
Yeah.
What
What
happened?
happened?
My
भूत देख
parents
लिया.
turned
Yeah.
off the Wi-Fi क्योंकि मेरे भाई को लैपटॉप चाहिए था.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
What?
ये
Really?
the downside is that you are a man.
On the first night, you're busy taking out the hairpins out of your wife's head. That's what we were doing. ऐसे
Nice.
hairpin निकाल रहा है, बाल खोल रहे, फूल निकल रहे वहाँ से.
So is
Nothing.
that what they mean when they say pull-out game is strong?
It's
Sachma
a
daru.
family-friendly show, bro.
Last 90 days में there are like 0 listeners, okay? 0 listeners, 0 views. So we are, we are going there. At this point, if this podcast makes a comeback, it will be a bigger comeback than Zohran Mamdani winning the elections. मैं क्या करता है मालूम? So I go on each. This is what life is like when you are in your late 20s, okay? When you are early 20s, you are like, हाँ ठीक है, I can't afford dating apps, तो जो भी मिला देख लेंगे. Now I'm like, okay, now I have some money. I can spend once every month, okay? So I go to one dating app and be like, चल आज ये महीना ये try करते हैं. उधर कुछ नहीं मिलता है. And then I'm like, okay, पैसा बर्बाद. Then I go to Tinder and like, हाँ इधर ये try करते हैं. वहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं होता है. Then I'm like, no, now I'll go and try Hinge, which is the costliest of all, okay? And this month I did not get Hinge में matches also. And I'm like, what the fuck? And then I cancelled. The moment I cancelled, 3 days later, I got 20 matches.
That's what happens when you try getting a life.
Yeah. आई एम लाइक मैं कैंसिल किया रिवर साइज का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया उसके बाद मेरे को मैच मिल गया and I'm like, oh, is this what it was? That I was not living a life and doing productive things, which is why this realization dawned on me. And then I'm like, oh, fuck. But मेरे को 50% off मिला था Hinge में. So I'm like, okay, it's not a problem. Let me give it a try. So I might get audience for my shows also from that. So it's
Boy
मेहनत
magic.
की boy mathing nahi. I have sold out shows and all just by being on dating apps, okay? I've sold out shows. Cost
But
promo
they
for
were
1
not
year,
repeat
but
audience.
I have only
Yes,
sold
yes.
my soul.
bro, I don't want them as repeat audience also. I don't want them as repeat person in my life also. Like कर लिया 5 बार try नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Like बहुत हो गया. But nice. So but I'm curious about this one thing. Like there are like हम लोग guys are there are 3 guys 3 girls. How different is it for us guys in our early 20s versus how different is it with your life? Genuinely, because I think there will be some difference which will be noticed. We'll notice. Like तुम लोग के like
Some?
what was it? Like of course there'll be a lot
Huge.
for the lack of a better
Gaurav
huge.
left the chat.
कैसे मैं अपना मुंह दिखाऊं? That was his. I can't. But yeah, how was it for you all? Like,
Like
if
dating in the early 20s.
not dating,
or
not
like
dating,
dating
just
apps.
like life,
Life
not
in
just
general.
life in
Life in
general. Like,
general.
do you think
Life.
matlab, of course it's like a huge difference, but how huge a difference like audience ko bhi?
Early 20s mein toh I felt like, wow, everything is sorted. I was in a relationship. I was working. And I was, I think I would have gotten married by 23 or 24. But yeah, then nothing happened.
Dude, most of the
Was-
girls I know, friends I have, somehow when they're 20, 21, they have a dream of marrying at 23, 24 when they know they have a guy. That
Yeah.
guy, they
Yeah.
believe they'll have, marry by 23, 24, they'll push towards it. They'll push really hard. Like they'll do whatever they can to make it work. But
Yes.
once mostly it doesn't work because the guys.
That guy leaves.
A guy.
Yeah.
The guy is
And
after
then-
all a guy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Which is
Howdy,
a
guys.
bigger realization after 21
Hi.
they have.
Somehow
Right.
Gaurav just turned up when I was telling this.
मेरी
Oh,
बात
yeah.
है ये.
Yeah, but after
Sorry.
that realization, I think after the breakup, at least I think the reality comes that okay, I need to find the right person. Then the time will
And you still
be
don't
fixed
find
Is it
later.
that
Or
or
you
what
just
is it?
don't
Like
want
No,
to
it's absolutely true. The first thing, first of all, happens after the breakup is we get a haircut.
or hair color
Every
Okay, so
whatever. A
is
makeover of
affordable.
any sort. Any
I'm
sort.
I
not
agree
sure
with
if
you. I
mine
mean, I
counts.
did that before,
Yeah, same.
and I think
Before the
that's
breakup.
what led
या
to
तो
it.
हेयर कट करके ब्रेकअप करो या तो ब्रेकअप करके
हाँ,
हेयर कट करो बट हेयर
yeah,
कट है
mandatory.
there's a
Correct.
haircut
Yeah.
there's a haircut involved. I think that happens. You dream about a guy whom you will marry when you're 23, 24 or 25, whatever. That guy leaves because he's obviously not ready. Then when you reach this age of 29, 30, you look back and you're like, thank God I did not get married.
Yeah, I agree. Yes, yes, yes.
True.
मेरा भी ये same case. Not with a guy, but with a girl only. Like she was older to me, but
How?
I was 2
How
years,
so?
2 years.
How will
How
How
can
did
she
you
be
find?
older?
How can she be older?
Male in
now
women
old
dominated
than
fields.
you?
So 2 years older,
Okay.
and I see. I was infatuated. I was in love. She was not. I think. I don't know if she was. Malum nahi. Whatever. It was like a
You
situationship
just
thing.
don't know to say she didn't. Just accept
Yeah,
and tell it.
I still don't know. Like that's the. हाँ ठीक है. उसको नहीं था. Okay. And but to get over that, I think it took me a long time. And I'm like, oh fuck, because I was also like by 23, 24, I'll get married to her. So aisa sab I was trying.
If
Yeah,
if
this
she's
is also a very
watching,
peak male experience, I believe.
yeah, if
Yes,
she's
yes.
watching the
happens.
podcast, please answer the question. Were you?
No,
Do you
no,
love
no. She,
Nikhil or not?
She should know,
she's
right? If it's
no, she's married now. She's married. She has, I don't know. I don't think she has kids, but yeah, she's married. It's good.
You
Yeah,
know
but
it.
she
You
can
just don't
still
want to tell
answer
us.
the question, bro.
नहीं है. I don't think. What's the answer?
I
What's the
will
question?
tell you the weirdest thing, okay? I'll tell you the weirdest thing. The guy I thought I would marry and whatever. I saw we have very few common friends, like one or two. I saw one of his stories that one of our common friends was attending his wedding. He got married 2 months before I got married. And when I saw the girl, I almost fell from my chair. He found a girl who looked exactly like me.
Oh, nice.
So did you take it as a compliment?
Oh, it was
Or a
weird.
pattern.
It was a joke. I laughed. Like, what is this?
Like Kanye West.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
I feel like he built so many years he was building a clone कि यार मैंने गलती कर दी अब क्या करूँ उसके पास नहीं जा सकता I'll build a clone.
Exactly. He just got one girl who looks like me but is approved by his parents. That's weird shit.
Think in your early 20s for a guy, the like less problematic thing is you're not like seeded the idea of getting married. But I think somehow most of the women I know
Yeah.
in life in early 20s itself they start seeding the idea. Oh, what about marriage? What about marriage? You have to think about that.
I
तुम
think
लोग
this
का था
idea
क्या
is
ऐसा?
needed
For
like since
some
we're
reason-
teens and kids, I think.
Yeah, exactly. I was dating and I was in school and I was like, शादी करेगा ना?
That
और
was the
क्या है? और
entire.
किसके लिए date करते हैं? You know, that was the like.
No, was
No,
that the
even-
entire like requirement कि शादी करेगा that's why we'll date? Was that the entire
नहीं, नहीं.
requirement?
No, it was like date करे तो शादी करेंगे.
Assumed.
हाँ, which is
Assumed
fair. I
completely.
agree also. Even now I'm like, if I'm dating seriously, then I would assume कि
No,
it's
but
to
the
marry.
people also tell you the same thing, right? Like, खाना बनाना सीख लो because you have to get married. Learn this because you have to get married. Learn that because, and then you realize
Yeah,
कि ये उधर तो सिखाया है नहीं दूसरे जेंडर को तो अभी
घर
हम ही
वाले
काम कर रहे हैं बस।
अपना मम्मा is enough like ऐसे कर रही है सास के घर जाएगी तो क्या
क्या
करेगी
करेगी?
Yeah,
रोटी बनानी है
It's
Which
crazy.
this question we
Yeah.
don't get asked, Nikhil.
Yes, we know, dude. I
Yeah,
got
Same
this.
boxes you're wearing. Imagine ससुराल के घर में यही करेगा. Nobody.
Yeah. Nobody's asking, dude. In fact, ours it's highly overcompensated. Like मैं ऐसा थाली में किचन में रख दिया. थाली किचन में रख दिया. So it's like,
नहीं नहीं
what the fuck?
मेरे घर पे इतना नहीं था
Hey, dude, Gaurav, see, you are one of the very few minorities who come from progressive houses, okay? Like, genuinely, like, like, the majority of India does, it's just crazy, dude. Like, most of the experience that we end up seeing, like, from itna, matlab, worlds apart, hai. We live in the same country, same house, but two different worlds only. Like, you will see, like, what the fuck, ये कुछ अलग ही दुनिया चल रही है.
So
But
Yeah,
I get
Praतीksha, you were
shocked
saying.
every day. Like I get shocked every day. My roommate doesn't know like a lot of household things. तो मेरे को तो रोज शॉक बैठता है कि अरे तुझे ये भी काम नहीं आता है.
When you say your
roommate,
roommate, you mean your husband,
Roommate,
right?
are you like, are you still processing the fact that you are married? Are you still like कि अरे roommate, अरे हम दोनों साथ पे भाड़ा भरता है, dude. Are we not like like I think we are just roommates. Like
No, but
it's
that's a cute nickname.
I like
what?
calling him roommate. ये मेरा
Permanent
roommate.
roommates, no?
हाँ.
Nice.
Husband
Cool.
sounds very auntie type, तो मेरे को वो नहीं करना है. Roommate.
Does your husband also call you wife, or does he call you
No.
roommate?
Doesn't call me anything, just by my name. This is Pratiksha.
So idara udara. That's what.
This is
Wow, what a
Pratiksha. We
great
happen to be in the
relationship.
same house every day.
Yes. ये क्या? It's amazing, dude. It's crazy. I like the relationship that you are projecting outside. यही तो चाहिए. कि एक husband बोले कि ये exist करती है and the wife goes हाँ ये मेरा roommate है, कभी कभी घर पे दिख जाता है, काम भी कर लेता है थोड़ा बहुत. It's
कभी
nice
कभी
only.
सोफा पे सो जाता है.
Yeah.
Nice,
No,
lovely.
but that is also huge myth, by the way. जो early 20s में अपने को लगता है कि like the marriage or the like the wedding and all everything. I have 2 myths to crack, by the way. हाँ, now just मेरा थोड़ा बहुत
Yes,
छोटू
yes.
छोटू experience.
Go ahead.
First, that weddings are nothing like this show in the movies and all bullshit.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं होता है वैसा. And second, marriage is also nothing on show.
नहीं ये दोनों आप डीप डाइव करिए थोड़ा. We need
No,
more
they showed like
information.
there's all romantic, like you're waking up and like good morning baby and like breakfast कुछ नहीं होता है ऐसे. You wake up cranky, you have a long list of things to do, you have office and this that. तो ये कुछ नहीं होता है ऐसा मतलब. There's nothing like
Oh,
very sweet and like yeah. Like like they show in the movies, right? Like you wake up and there's sunlight coming, कुछ नहीं होता है. यहाँ से धूप निकल रही होती है. You know, he's snoring like in a loud decibel. Like कुछ नहीं, all bullshit.
what a reality check you just gave to everybody here. Like यहाँ से
Nobody
धूप
looks
निकल रहा
pretty.
है.
Yeah, like you're drooling on one side and your face is like everybody's face is swollen in the morning. And ऐसे बाल बिखरे हुए हैं and you look like some मंजुलिका type person in the morning. कुछ नहीं, all बकवास की. It's very romantic. कुछ नहीं होता है ये सब. And wedding is the worst. Wedding is
What
the worst.
happens in the
You
wedding में क्या
can't
होता है?
eat. मेरे को खाना ही नहीं मिला.
You what?
And you just want to
So,
get it over with.
No, yeah, exactly. You just want to get it over with. I had food, I could not eat it because you're a walking, talking jewelry shop with like extensions and flowers and all the time. Like you have to smile when you want to strangle somebody. Actually, so it's exhausting. So wedding
did
is
you
not
get
enjoyable.
did you get gift cards ऐसा on the
Yeah,
wedding?
we earned a lot of money. That was the best part. We earned so much money. Like we could not believe कितना पैसा आया शादी में.
Hey,
Did it break even with the wedding cost?
Huh? What?
Did you
Did,
break
did
even?
it break
Did
even
you
with the
break
wedding
even
cost?
with-
I think half तो हाँ यार, half cost तो हो गया full मतलब हमारा मतलब.
ये
So they
nice
paid
यार.
half for accommodation and food.
मतलब
What?
yeah.
Nice. Late 20s is just horrible marriages, is what you're saying.
It's like cheaper vacation for people. Wedding.
Yeah, I mean, हाँ, weddings are all like कुछ नहीं है ऐसा दिखाते हैं, like you know what they show in the pictures, like you have seen Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif का
Yeah,
wedding
yeah.
and this wedding,
Yes, yes.
they all have these beautiful sunset pictures. कुछ नहीं होता है वैसा. अपने शादी में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
Yes, yes.
उनकी शादी होता है, हमारे शादी में कुछ
Yeah,
नहीं
madam, smile please. Smile. Smile.
होता. And you're like,
Smile.
and there's this.
स्माइल क्या ब्रो,
So
वो
when I
सनसेट
say
शॉट भी होली शिट, वो लोग ऐसा लाइट लेके आ जाता है ना यार कि ये सनसेट, ये नेचुरल
Yeah.
सनसेट जो
Yeah.
लाइट है ये
उनके
नहीं
पास
चाहिए.
इतना
Because
पैसा
wedding
It's-
filmography is a very serious thing.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
are film festivals and all for wedding films. Like,
it's-
Really?
yeah, seriously, there are film festivals for wedding photography, wedding filmography, and all.
In the entire
Is
wedding,
it
they
called
apply
short
this,
films?
yeah, they apply
Yes,
this
sir.
haldi kumkum so many times on your face that you end up looking like a ghost by the end. Your makeup is melting and it's hot, and because of the lights.
Yeah,
And,
nice.
there'll be
Rampal
this one, yeah, there'll be this one old lady who's just not able to climb the stage quickly. Aa yaar, photo nikal and jao jaldi se. It's fun.
Okay,
निखिल
Pratiksha, I will not
ये
get
वाले
married. I promise.
Okay.
Yeah, even
हाँ.
even this concept of stupid suhagrate, कुछ नहीं होता है ये सब. Nothing happens. Nothing
I
happens.
think
On
we
the first night, you're busy taking out the hairpins out of your wife's head. That's what we were doing. ऐसे
Okay, nice.
hairpin निकाल रहा है, बाल खोल रहा है, फूल निकल रहा है वहाँ से.
So is
Nothing.
that what they mean when they say pull out game is strong? Anyway.
Mm. जा रहा है रील पे, जा रहा है रील पे.
I think the whole episode is
comment down
just
to let us know whose pull-out game is strong.
No, I
yes,
can just hear his Nikhil's family saying that yes, pull-out game is strong, and they remove him out.
Okay, one more thing that I found normal when I was in my 20s was like a relationship and which directly leads to shadi. And when I see white people, you know, kissing on the first date, and then like after 6 years or something, the man is proposing and she's surprised. I'm like, why are you surprised? मैं तुमने बात नहीं की. Where did you think you were going?
Also,
Exactly.
that
It's
ऐसा
like
यहाँ
a
पे
new
guy,
thinking
No,
thing.
I
mature
think
है.
that's a reaction to the in this economy. You're marrying me.
Ooh, are you sure?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you afford it?
That's true love. I think that's true love. That's true.
Yeah.
साथ में गरीब मरेंगे.
Yes, yes.
For me,
Fuck
I
those
think
one rich, one
only
poor person. Fuck them. Both of you be poor or both of you be rich. ये rich poor नहीं चाहिए. Upliftment of the poor नहीं होएगा.
Do these people take one person along with them to click the pictures because the pictures are always perfect. मतलब कोई आता है क्या उनके साथ फोटो लेने के लिए?
Yeah, mostly
It depends if the man
film
is
school students like me who want pocket money. Like,
Yeah,
जाएगा
you are
DSLR लेके A7R2, A7S3 ऐसा.
Madam, smile, madam. Madam.
Because if that's there, then it can't be a surprise now, or you'll be just weird out कि why is a guy following us with a camera? Then वो अलग ही scene हो जाएगा थोड़ा.
Yeah, fair. So वो उनका short film record हो रहा है. It's crazy.
like
Crazy shit.
अभी के टाइम पे तो I think I will be nervous. I'm like इसके साथ ये कौन आ रहा है? कहीं ये लोग किडनैप तो नहीं करने वाले हैं मेरा?
Yeah.
Yes, शादी के बाद. Yeah. Fucking crazy only. Right, speaking of crazy guys, let's move to the final segment of the show and then we'll call the episode to a halt. It's called Need Advice. Okay, I have 360, I think
Clearly.
385 days I've spent. Yes. 85 days we have spent. And I've realized कि हम लोग ये podcast को rant / मेरे को advice 2 session ही समझ रहा था. So now why not convert it into a dedicated segment? कि आके सब लोग people will come and they will be like, okay, whatever you guys want advice for the week, you can take. And audience members, if you want, you can also reach and ask what advice or what
Can
topic
just
you
call
would need
their names
advice
directly, dude,
from
at this
us.
point.
Yes, I will do that. Right now, I can
Just
count the
directly.
number of the number of audience are in the podcast group only. They are the I keep my audience close. That's
Also the panelists.
yes. It's a audience panel members as a proportional. But so yeah, need advice, guys. What? So I'll start. Okay, मेरे को advice चाहिए. Because I'm host. So how to make sure कि I promote this website on dating apps.
What website?
Sorry, this podcast on sorry. This
We are thinking you paid money to Riverside and want to promote it as well.
नहीं.
Paid promotion, guys. I paid.
collab request दे रहा हूँ. Nice. Go on. Yes. So yes, need advice. How do I promote this podcast on dating apps? Because now I am using this thing called talking, having a conversation, and when they ask what do you do, I slightly insert कि I also have this podcast, which I stopped doing for a year and a half. Today I started doing again. So अब क्या?
So,
Need
do you
advice.
want your dates to know that you are a podcaster? Are you sure about that?
See, I don't care if I have dates. I want listeners. I want viewers. I am dedicated to my podcast. I don't mind.
I
यही
think
लिख
the
दे.
downside is that you are a man, and
Yes, yes.
So
That
write
is
this in the
true.
bio ना.
because
लिख दे bio में लिख दे. I don't want dates. I want listeners.
मेरे को बैन कर देगा डेटिंग ऐप. That is the
yeah,
problem. मेरे को एक्चुअल में बैन कर देगा because I'm promoting a better product than the dating. Okay, so
No,
ठीक है.
Nikhil,
अबे
I think
ठीक है.
you should start telling some story, okay? Which is
हाँ,
already there in the podcast. You still
हाँ,
half. You make her
हाँ,
like, go for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ.
Then
Okay.
she's like, what happened next? To know more. Click the link below.
My roommate is back.
Really?
Hello.
Roommate is
it's
back.
the sadness with which you told. Oh, my roommate is
Yes.
back.
Do you need advice right now? Okay. Do you need?
So yeah, so
Okay,
you
so
lead them on like you do in real life,
Yeah, and for
हाँ,
but instead of
No, but like that's a great advice. But genuinely, आज के time पे it's not going to work because scams are happening through links right now. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying, that it's very bad promoting wise dating apps. If you are going to try doing it on dating apps, it's not too helpful.
okay. So I should just
or
focus
or
on
meet
going
them.
on
Make sure
dates.
you have your first date. Meet them in
Okay,
person.
okay.
Get your
Yeah, maybe you
laptop.
just
Yeah,
meet them in
yeah,
person and
I
give them a
think
flyer
can
like,
go
so I
wrong
have
now.
this podcast.
Yeah, till that you will have like 5-6 episodes after your first meet.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Tell them,
Actually,
tell them
we will have
I'll pay
5,
the
6
bill only if you
episodes
subscribe.
before his first meet.
So I have a great idea. So maybe you can schedule dates with, like, let's say you got 20 matches, all of them, same time, same place, and then we go and do a podcast there.
Get them to Trinity Studios for
Wow,
Pan Indians.
best,
It's happening on
Yes,
best.
yes, yes, yes.
That's borderline kidnapping, but ठीक है.
Human
MLM
trafficking
marketing
also.
scheme. Mistake.
कितना फुद्दू MLM marketing scheme this is.
No,
That
the one,
after doing all of this, I'm making them listen to a podcast, and that's called
no,
irrelevant.
no. The worst thing is, like the place where you are doing the show, right? Down, it looks like it's shady.
राजस्थान पत्रिका का ऑफिस है वो. लिटरली न्यूज़पेपर में खबर आएगी.
Yes, yes. No, so wait, I should right now you are. I like the confidence there that you thought ki I will make sure that 20 matches of mine are in the same fucking date place at the same time. ऐसा 20
Believe it.
matches. नहीं,
She
नहीं,
just
this-
wants you to
इतना
get
भी-
killed by 20 women and make it to the
Yes,
news.
Nice. Okay. So advice for 20 whoever is to meet them first and then give them flyer
Pitch them. Yeah.
and then ask them to subscribe to the YouTube channel or Spotify, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And make them follow
So-
Yes Wings on Instagram and
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
And then only you can
and-
pay the bill.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Too many process, too much process. But okay, okay. So this is the advice that I'm getting for the. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Can we go around the panel for anything? What a great advice. तुम लोग को मैं पूछा देखो. Nice.
Or,
Good.
or you know what? You start dating them seriously. You give them hopes. Maybe if they're in their early 20s, they want to marry you and all that. Take them on,
Hmm.
take them on. Suddenly break up with them. They don't know what to do. They have reminiscence and all that feelings, right? Send them the link. They'll watch it over and again.
I love it, but then that's only one viewer, no.
Yes.
Like if you can
There's only-
multitask.
Yeah.
I think it's high time, Nikhil. Come on. You have been desperate for a long time. Let's Just be
Use your
desperate for the
skills.
views. Yeah. Use
yeah,
your
yeah,
skills for podcast.
use my non-existing skills to have a game to make sure that the girl falls in love with me and to break up
Girls.
with her.
Girls.
Girls. Oh, it's a plural. Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah.
okay, nice. Okay, girls fall
Ladies
in love
versus
with
her-
me.
Nikhil Bal.
Because you broke up with her.
Oh,
I also gave you advice for marrying, sorry, not marrying, dating every month one like girl. Like January born one day, like in
Oh,
January.
different
वैसा.
zodiacs.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can make,
उससे क्या
it's
होएगा?
already there.
हाँ.
What's your Rashi?
What's
हाँ.
your Rashi?
मजा आएगा.
मजा आएगा. मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
Seriously. ऐसा-
हाँ. So
then I
she
can't date a Gemini only, bro, because two-faced. So
You are a Gemini, no?
Yes, because I'm two-faced.
So you're basically 50% dating 6 people, 50% dating 6.
नहीं मैच
Holy
नहीं वापस
shit.
से मैच नहीं
okay. Let's change this.
Get into 10
Let's-
multiplication.
Let's change this. Let's change this. We'll make it
60
easier.
people.
We'll
Date
make
60
it
people.
easier. No. Date 24 people.
Date 24.
Okay, I understood.
So both will get 12, no?
Okay, chalo.
You're
24
telling us if it's so
people.
easy for Nikhil to do all this. Yeah.
Yes, निखिल तो कर ही देगा. हरामजादा है, ये तो कर ही देगा. I like this approach of life that you all have. और किसी को चाहिए कुछ advice. I think ये मैं ले चुका हूँ. Nice it is. किसको चाहिए और बताओ. Wow, everybody just went silent. Fuck you all, ठीक है? Fuck you all. So you guys.
जैसे बातें हुई है लग नहीं रहा है किसी को एडवाइस
But it's lost faith on each other. It's like, इनसे क्या
एक
advice
बोलो.
मांगू?
What the fuck? करो. Need advice. Come on, guys. मैं तुम लोगों को seriously लिया. I will do it. I'll follow. I'll go on dating apps and be like, let's go on date, and then slightly, ऐसा subtly I will go. कि
Yeah,
मेरा
but when you end
podcast
up
भी
in
है.
jail, just don't tell our names.
Nah, I'll make sure of that. Only Gaurav. Anyway, so
yeah, no issues.
yes. Okay. हाँ. हमारा जेल नेम भी होएगा समोसा बॉयज.
उधर भी जेलर उसको जो ज्यादा जाना.
I'm getting 5-star. Nikhil is like waiting.
with aluminium thali.
They're actually aluminium thali, right? This is serious topic, okay? I'm
Sure,
actually
sure.
planning to get a job. Like applying for job.
Okay.
And I'm going for 2-week leave this month.
Hmm.
So should I just start applying now? Or should I apply after December probably?
No, just apply now and then let
now.
them know that you'll join after like your vacation.
No.
Should always
Acha.
apply now.
Yes.
अरे
I'd
मेरे को
rather
उतना hope भी
suggest.
नहीं है ना.
I'd rather suggest go on dating apps. Find
देख,
girls
एक
and
minute,
send
एक
them
minute.
your
Question,
resume.
are
एक
you
minute, एक
promoting
minute.
Hinge? Did Hinge give you money?
Pretty sure they did because कब से? It's like I am
Yes.
going to be the premium members of all dating apps and I'm going to promote so that girls can actually join and मेरे को matches कम ना पड़े.
निखिल तेरे लिए चलेगा मेरे लिए नहीं चलेगा ये.
Yeah. While you send the resume, also send the podcast link.
Yes.
No, it will be like after LinkedIn link or irrelevant stories
Irrelevant
link.
stories link.
Yes,
Date
बात
and
है.
age
Resume
are
में
how
आके skills में आके तूने लिख देना ऐसा.
No, I'll add co-founder of Irrelevant Stories for 4 years.
So, 4 years experience. Nice.
Counting.
What just happened?
Yeah.
And count. Yes. Fuck.
date
That's
and
so-
HR
To
of
count
every
because it's
zodiac.
not
na?
multiplication of 10. Sorry.
To the idea what we suggested Nikhil na, date and HR of every zodiac.
Oh,
Yes,
best.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can
Yes,
you can become a consultant then.
Yes. अरे you
If-
क्या तू? I am not
तू.
doing anything. You become
If
consultant.
Why
you
will I
like
date?
men,
अरे
Why
you
will you?
But
date.
I would suggest you take the leave, enjoy the leave, because once you apply, that anxiety will definitely come, I believe.
Yeah.
Like,
Hmm.
enjoy your time. That's when you also know what to do in life. When you take a break, when you. So I would rather suggest
I
you to.
definitely know what I'm going to do.
He'll get married. Like he'll move to Powai.
No, but imagine you're on a vacation, randomly you have the urge of checking your mail or whatever.
Hmm.
What's the point?
Bro, during work hours also, I don't check my mail.
Yeah, but this is different. No, you want a job.
Yeah, that's true.
Wanting something,
Correct.
already having something you don't want is different.
Oh, wow, what a
Good
statement.
one, good
Holy
one,
shit.
good one.
What the fuck?
Okay. Going on reels, guys.
What if you're on vacation and you meet some rich woman who will marry you and doesn't want you to work because she doesn't believe in it? Your life is
There will be a
sorted. You don't need.
problem for that also.
Okay, because
Because I'll lose job also, life also.
He's
are you
already in a
married?
relationship. He's
Oh, okay.
Oh shit.
No, yeah,
yeah.
अच्छा है ना, मस्त
Oh
है,
shit,
become a
क्या है,
gold
bro?
digger.
What the fuck?
No, the story was so intense I forgot this detail. अच्छा ये भी है ना.
अच्छा ये भी हो सकता था.
ये हो सकता है.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
maybe you're on vacation and you help someone and that guy is so happy with you and he's a millionaire and he wants to, and he doesn't have any other family members. So
Yeah, this
he
is an
wants to
80s
give all
Amitabh
the
Bachchan
money to
film.
you.
Like,
I'm going with Nikhil only. Okay, I
I'm
found the
not.
millionaire.
I'm not. ये मैं
this is an
Manchester
80s
United
Amitabh
का.
Bachchan film, bro, for sure. He'll
Yes,
be
yes.
a random guy. He's honest. Some rich guy will be like, I like you. And you're like,
Marry my daughter.
Marry my daughter.
or he'll be
Here is,
long lost brother also somehow. You never know.
here is my Jaidad and Haveli ka Kagzad for you.
क्या
It was
what क्या
Shit.
It
These
is
things are
like,
not
Jaidad is
happening now.
you know,
property,
yeah.
inheritance. What is it?
Here is my Haveli ka Kagzad and my Jaidad for you. Take
ये
it.
nice to take
Yeah.
it.
Now you
What
can't
Oh, you
for
because
what?
guys
the
Just
won't
government
believe
wants
what just
20% of it.
happened.
Archita
What?
is telling something,
Yeah.
something that we won't believe just happened.
What
happened?
happened?
My
भूत देख लिया.
parents turned
Yeah,
off the Wi-Fi क्योंकि मेरे भाई को लैपटॉप चाहिए था.
ये nice यार.
What? The laptop you have on right now.
Yeah, and
What?
now
I
I
didn't
am on
understand.
my phone
Yeah.
because assholes turned off the laptop, turned off the Wi-Fi कि अब तू use कर ले. तू कर ले जैसे करना है. My
Nice.
brother
Okay.
turned off the
Okay, he wanted to use
Wow.
the laptop.
हाँ. So he
Yes,
turned off the
yes,
Wi-Fi.
yes.
How do I get rid of my brother? Please give me advice now.
Hey, nice.
Yes,
Best
yes.
question in the session.
Yes, yes,
Do
yes.
you want to
Yes.
get rid of him like permanently or?
What?
There is this
Because I
godown
know
on the
okay,
ground floor. Above it, there's three.
I
Hey,
am
the
so
best solution
angry
is
right now. Everybody is like laptop, 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 laptop.
get married, get rid of all three, and take the laptop with you.
no, break it and keep it there so they can't use it.
Wow. It's
He paid
such
for the
great.
laptop, yaar.
Sorry, then don't break it. Break something that they paid
While
for.
leaving home, cut the Wi-Fi cable.
Yourself.
Up. She. Okay. Okay.
Now I
Nice.
definitely know no one wants advice from us.
नहीं नहीं ये नहीं अरे नहीं यार ऐसा थोड़ी ब्रदर का एडवाइस चाहिए ना
Okay.
मतलब नहीं
What's the age of the brother?
Question. हाँ.
He's
Yes.
a 21-year-old guy.
Okay. So Nikhil knows someone who can
20
break his
actually,
heart
sorry, 2020.
and who can Nikhil take this forward.
अरे मैं क्या यहाँ पे बढ़वा दिख रहा हूँ क्या तुम लोगों को या कि मैं सबको लेके
I mean, they really want to know.
like oh. नहीं see here's the thing Venkat has a go down okay
Shit.
but not me okay एक go down in the sense कि मतलब ऐसा न्यूज़पेपर ऐसा
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
इश्तेहार वहीं पे
Which?
आता है इश्तेहार वहीं पे आता है फॉर म्यूचुअल मैचेस और
Yeah.
सॉरी
उधर वो लड़की को
fucking
लेके
good
आ गया क्या तू?
क्या Sorry?
उधर वो लड़की को लेके आ गया क्या वो सिचुएशनशिप
नहीं
वाली?
नहीं 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 no bro. अभी अभी नहीं bro. I think I would like to not bring her at all. So nice. So अभी इसको advice दो on how to solve brother problem.
So why does he need laptop now? My question is that.
Yeah,
ये
the
nice.
parents should have had that question actually.
इसको तेरे को लैपटॉप अभी क्यों
This is what time is
इंटरनेट
it
के
now?
साथ
We are 11. We are at 11 o'clock. A 21-year-old needs laptop. Something is fishy.
Oh, that. I thought the parents had the question. Why do we need a 21? It's like, why do we need a 10?
Hey, is she
I
gone?
missed it.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, what happened? I missed it.
Pratiksha, so everybody got confused. Venkat was like, why are parents, matlab, why is a parent not thinking that why is a 21-year-old boy asking for a laptop right now at 11 o'clock? And Pratiksha thought that we meant ki why is a parent wanting a 21-year-old boy in the first place? So,
Both are fair questions. Like
this is fair question.
Doubts.
I like how Archita's face is just.
Yeah.
yeah, the painting screaming.
Yeah.
Van Gogh's
भाई मैं
Nice.
ना सच्ची पीट दूंगी सबको.
Wow.
No, karo then keep it live. We also want to watch.
Now your skin looks normal, Venkat.
Oh,
It was
shit.
the lighting. It was the lighting.
This is the light, guys.
Archita wants to slap the brother, which is.
But please, better ideas. Slap से मैं कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Yeah, he needs something
By
much
the
more
time I
painful.
hit him, my hand will break. I will have like.
All his pants into shorts.
What
That's
if
What?
he
normal
has
for other
shorts?
people.
Why? What if he has only shorts?
Make it even
Make it
shorter.
brief.
But that's a punishment for other people, not me.
Hi, रुको.
Oh,
Is he actually
Sorry,
gonna?
nice.
just got
Is
an
she actually
idea.
gonna beat him like live on the podcast?
No, I think she's
Oh,
getting
I'm
the
so
laptop.
excited for that.
Yes. I think she's going to come and be like, I need advice again, but this
Yeah,
time
I tell
to-
my
offline.
brother
how
how
to-
to
how to
destroy
hide
the
the
body.
body. How to hide the body.
Okay, let's get with like someone else.
Someone else, anybody else?
That's what
Who's
she
the
said.
advice she? Wow.
Guys, I swear to God, मुझे अभी के अभी कोई ढंग की एडवाइस दे दो, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो.
इसका
Make
ढंकी
him
Archita
watch
is
the
sounding
podcast.
like that.
क्या? Archita is sounding like what? बता.
वो होता ना, वो रील्स में आते ऐसे ऐसे करके देख के बोलते हैं,
क्या?
मैं भी
ऐसे
अरे वो
देख
था ना एक, अरे वो फोन आगे रख के ऐसे रील्स बनाते हैं ना कि ऐसे सब हो रहा है मेरे साथ.
Isn't that
What
बताओ
Yeah,
मैं
crying for
content
help.
creator?
What are these reels you're watching?
I am
No,
not watching.
Okay, see, I'll tell you the situation, okay? My brother came when I started the podcast. He's like, मेरे को लैपटॉप चाहिए. मैं बोली नहीं दूंगी, मेरे को पॉडकास्ट करना है, तू बाद में ले ली. 1 hour down the lane, he turned off the Wi-Fi. He's like, अब कर ले
Classic
तू
brother
पॉडकास्ट, मेरे को चाहिए. I was like, वाईफाई बंद हुआ, ठीक है, मैं हॉटस्पॉट कनेक्ट कर लूंगी, बट माय फोन डिसाइडेड कि मैं हॉटस्पॉट ही नहीं दूंगा, डिस्कवर ही नहीं कर रहा. So I was like, ठीक है,
Oh.
turned on, started with the phone. My dad came, laptop. My mother came, laptop. My cousin came, laptop. Everybody
What
is
is
like,
cousin
laptop
doing?
दे दो उसको.
So your dad is
Yeah,
innocent.
nice.
Everybody is like, मेरे को लैपटॉप चाहिए.
Until proven guilty. Okay. Yes,
So
yes.
I was like, okay, fine. I joined on the phone. I gave away the laptop and the charger. Now my brother is coming. He's like, mouse de.
But nobody has
Yeah,
asked the
nice.
question what is he doing at this hour with a laptop?
Yeah, उसको चाहिए
Yeah.
क्यों
कॉलेज का
laptop?
काम है भाई, कुछ
With mouse.
माउस
क्या कर लेगा
हाँ,
पीपीटी बना के एमबीए करके.
माउस क्यों चाहिए?
Exactly.
Dysfunction हुआ होगा. Sorry.
नया वो किसी का भाई है
मेरा मत कर.
वो
अरे
किसी
अर्चिता,
का भाई है
I
तूने ये
apologize.
बोला शी हैज ऑलरेडी इमेजिन्ड इट ठीक है उसका इतना
Yeah, but this is the brother she
खुदा
wants
माफ
to kill.
करो.
Archita, I think this is the best advice you could have though by Neha right now. Dysfunctional. Okay. Uh, I think
Just
that will
spread
help.
this across.
Oh yeah.
He already doesn't have any girls. Pehle give him advice how to get girls, then I will spread this across.
Yeah. Tell him to give the laptop
Maybe
first, then you can help.
Create a dating app for him, no? Sorry, dating app profile for him, no? And then he'll
You
find a
want to
match.
tell which app also, then give a collab request to that dating
100
app.
times he's brought up dating app.
Yeah.
तेरे को
Hey,
पैसा
fucker,
देते हैं
everybody,
dating app वाले.
everybody went that only. What the fuck? मैं बस dating app बोला. तुम लोग आके
Yes,
भी कर ही रहा था ना,
Guys,
लड़की बड़ा
guys, dating app is paying for this app also, so please
Yes,
cooperate.
yes, yes.
Okay, sorry.
Initiative.
Coming back to my brother, he's an
हाँ.
asshole and I'm mad and I need advice.
नहीं,
That's
हम
what
लोग
I'm
try
asking.
कर
Do
रहे
you
थे.
want
That's
like
what.
permanent or like
temporary, just fearing him,
So,
scaring him.
hypothetically, he might watch the podcast also. So let's be very
Bro,
Hi.
my name is Nick.
how dare you take her laptop, bro?
Hey bro, big fan.
But you have some dysfunction, bro. Okay. Please cut it off.
To watch this,
sorry, wrong
Subscribe.
religion.
buy
Yeah,
our
to
premium.
subscription now. Subscribe now, like now, share now. It's nice. Badhiya. Okay, so that's what we are at right now. Advice for a brother is to make sure that he finds a girl, and he then annoys her, so that he leaves you alone. I think that is
Yeah.
a good advice.
But he'll still
More
need
than
the
you, your
laptop,
laptop
no?
as well.
Yeah.
He will use the phone. He will use her laptop.
Yeah. But nobody is still asking why he's using. Like,
That to make a
लड़की ही
mouse.
बता दिया लैपटॉप क्यों चाहिए तेरे को?
That's what I said. Get yourself a roommate and
Yeah.
leave all three of them, including the cousin also. Leave all of them and laptop साथ में ले जाओ and Wi-Fi की wire भी काट के साथ में ले जाओ.
Yes, yes.
See?
Yeah,
I
this
agree.
is this is the best advice. I agree
Yes,
to this.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
So
now
my
it's
room
time
would
for
never
me
Saman,
to go on
Archita,
dating app.
wait.
Guys,
नहीं
guys,
वो
एक
wait.
मिनट एक मिनट अगर ये करने लगी तो उससे उतने खर्चे में वो लैपटॉप ही ले लेगा नया.
एक point
नहीं,
तो है.
नहीं पर लैपटॉप तो इसी
नहीं,
का है ना.
हाँ तो
laptop.
भाई
See, laptop is symbolism. Okay,
Yeah.
laptop is power.
Getting out of the place is the main point.
laptop is
Yes.
freedom.
laptop. Laptop
I
We
guess
are
is
that's
not
where
looking at the bigger picture, Gaurav.
Yeah.
yeah. What is the bigger picture,
Yes.
Neha?
Go full
This one?
screen.
Shit. Epic. So wait. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने एडवाइस हाँ so when you go cut the Wi-Fi वो ऐसा there is one in the marriage you have this thing no that girls have to throw rice ऐसा पीछे हाँ you throw
हाँ.
Wi-Fi का wire ऐसा पीछे
राउटर
Or
Router.
even better, make sure you change your Wi-Fi to Hathway. Change it to Hathway. Okay.
नहीं ये मेरे को
Because bad Wi-Fi is worse than no Wi-Fi. I can
Yes, yes.
confirm this.
Great dude I
Makes
have bad
sense.
Wi-Fi and my Hathway my sorry my Wi-Fi is Hathway only so I get it I endorse this I agree so ये है हमारे एडवाइस फ्रॉम फॉर अर्चिता
next person.
next person who would like
All right.
advice
So I'll go. I am 26 right now, and this is my
26
27th attempt to go to the gym regularly. Okay.
हाँ
So I am trying to hit the gym regularly, and now food also I'm trying to be conscious, but it's really tough to go to the gym every day. Especially it's tough because it's tough when you don't want to go in the first place. So I'm trying to make it regular because this is the only condition I have been put forward to make sure that my relationship works. Okay. This is
Yes,
the
yes.
only condition. This is like
so
bare minimum. I
can
know.
we assume that you are in a relationship
Yeah, please assume. I want people to
Yes.
assume that I'm not
Yes.
single anymore. That
Okay.
unlike
I was
Archita's
going
brother, I
to
can
say
land
find a
women.
girl in gym and then go every day.
नहीं
Oh
why the
yes.
fuck this unnecessary shade on Archita's brother was not needed. Okay.
No, I can't help her right now, but I can at least join the party.
Fair.
Take him with you for gym. Take him with you.
You would
Nahi,
find
Then
He will
he will
annoy
people
the
there.
fuck out of you and leave me alone.
Hey, that is not advice. That is just
Yeah, that is just
giving away
delegating.
your
Giving
advice.
my
It's a
problem
very
to
corporate
somebody.
thing.
I mean, my
Corporate
parents
relationship.
wants to do that for me to marry me off to somebody else. Why not? I can give their son to somebody else.
Yeah, so now I'm going to a 24/7 gym, okay?
Hmm.
So that I don't have an excuse. Oh, it's too late. It's too early for. So now I can't give excuse, okay? But the thing is, it's really tough to go because you come out after a tired day and you don't really want to hit the gym, or you're not a really wake up early person either. Okay, so the golden spot is 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock.
Of
But
the
by
morning
the
or
time
night?
night,
Okay. I agree.
so other than losing the relationship, what can be a very good motivator, which is positive?
So
Bro.
really,
Tell the girl to not give you any benefits till you go to the gym and come back.
Fair enough.
Are you getting any benefits?
Yeah.
Uh,
What a fuck call way to ask. Hey, तेरे को sex मिल रहा है क्या? What the fuck is the fuck? Okay. Chhi.
There are privileges, of course, which are threatened at some at points
why don't you guys go together?
because
Oh.
we are doing long distance. She's in Chennai. I'm in outskirts of Chennai called Porur.
Okay, I have. Maybe you can keep your phone in the gym locker.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, every day you go to the gym and then take the phone after you work out and then use your.
But
Like,
then he'll
Still,
already
he
have a
will
breakup,
keep
no?
phone.
then
Wait,
he will
what?
have a break. He will lose the relationship for some other reason.
No. I would rather suggest keep the phone in the gym and you come home. And
That's
then
Yeah.
what
1 hour
I.
later go. That's
That's
what you
what.
meant? Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's
Sorry.
No,
Yeah,
no.
that
While
is
I'm
what.
working out, phone has to be in the locker.
No,
No,
while you are
keep
working
the
out.
phone
Yeah,
locker.
that's what we thought.
Phone is living in gym.
Okay, guys, the problem in that advice is he has to go to gym to keep the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
No, but
Loophole is
that's not
there.
the problem. It's fine.
It is the problem.
He'll-
He is not able to go to the gym ना अगर वो जा पाता तो phone भी रख देता ना. Problem ही
नहीं,
वही है
you-
कि वो उधर जा
ये-
नहीं रहा.
Do you want to go to the gym to work out? I mean, if you reach the gym, do you like working out?
Yeah. Once I reach, somehow something will happen.
Yeah, you get the motivation by looking at other people. Even that's a problem for me
Yeah.
also.
You've
नहीं
come
मन
all the
करता है
way, so
कभी-कभी.
you better do something and go.
So should
Why
I just
not
send
find
you
other
a video
workout?
of
Issue is the
people
journey.
working out
एक
and
second.
doing every day?
तीन. Sorry.
Sorry.
But I just need some like mindset itself to go there. What
Find
will
some
be the
other
mindset?
workout.
I'll tell you a solution, the same which I give everyone.
Hmm.
Get married to a skinny girl. You
अरे,
look at her. You look at her, इतना शर्म आएगा देख के. You will go to the gym.
नहीं,
Okay.
wait.
No.
But he is already dating somebody. That
Yeah.
that's
But
also
long
skinny
distance है
only.
ना. When that person is
हाँ.
roaming around you 24/7, you at one point you do get ashamed. That's the reason I go to the gym, because I get ashamed looking at him. Because
It's-
he
No,
works
but
from
is it
Worried for
working?
you,
Gym is working for
Pratiksha.
you?
Little.
yeah, it is. It is.
No,
Makes
for
sense.
me also it's working. But the thing is that you want it as a lifestyle. You want it as a mindset. No, you have quit for 27 times. That's because it's not your mindset or what you look at.
No, it's like you're not supposed to be. It's a lifestyle and all. Like, maybe it's just like okay, I will go and treat it as a health thing.
No,
I'll
I
do it
think
for like
once
3,
you
4
see the
times a day.
difference,
Sorry,
I think
3, 4
once you
times a
see
week.
I think once you see the difference, then you get
Yeah.
motivated to go,
Once I
because
see the difference, I get cocky. That's the
oh,
Yeah.
oh,
The
mine is
comedian him,
ulta.
Full god
comedian in
complex.
him switches on. Yes,
Yeah,
Mine is
yeah.
ulta.
comedian in
If
him
I see the
switches on.
difference, I want to go more. कि अरे और कर. ठीक है,
Nice.
okay.
No, but that's what
Crazy.
now I'm figuring out because see, when I consciously took 3 months, even though I know one year is like cheaper or whatever, they're telling me you're not making a good financial decision. I'm like, I'm trying to do a commitment thing because I know if I take 3 months, I'll do that 3 months because the 3 months deadline is very visible to you.
Yeah.
But somehow when you have a 1 year deadline, like 1 year is there. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can go anytime.
Fair,
Right?
fair.
Now I took that 1 year because economic crisis. You're like, okay, I have to go for the cheaper thing of taking 1 year. But I have to have a deadline which is like every month I have to do this. I'm figuring out.
Do
I
you
So far
can't
I've come to
advise
the
you.
idea.
Yeah. So
I
do you
can't
think?
advise you. Sorry,
Thank
so
you.
sorry.
No, no,
Venki,
no.
every
Yeah.
day, every day you have to post on irrelevant stories that you went to gym. I have no idea
No, no
how
need.
you're going to
No
do it.
need.
You have to
Hey,
put
मेरे
like
को
Venki
मेरे
is
को
That
गिल्ट
at
क्यों
everybody's
होएगा?
like, I don't
Venki.
want spam.
I don't
Yeah,
want
that's
me to
People
feel
will get
guilty.
motivated. People,
yeah, that's a good
and
idea.
people will start following also. Ki, oh, this person is doing so much. हमको भी करना चाहिए.
That's
Yeah,
a good idea.
I
Do it,
tried
do
this,
it.
but
Even
as
I will get
Instagram
motivated.
story, okay.
Ah,
So that
story only.
as Instagram story, so that people will ask. But you're also ashamed ki people are asking. No, what?
That
Don't
is what
reply.
you're saying. You post an irrelevant story, so
Hmm.
you don't have to reply. You
Yeah.
just post. Okay, you tell us ki Venki is at the gym. Day 1, Venki is at the
Yeah.
gym.
No,
Day 2.
I don't want his photos in my gallery, no.
Yeah.
भाई
no, it's a
story पे
story.
जाता तू gallery पे
Story,
नहीं
Yeah,
Instagram
so I have
story.
to send one
Oh,
time.
Instagram. Oh, I thought
No, I like this
WhatsApp.
idea. Post it in irrelevant stories so that I also get motivated. Ki-
And every day you don't go to the gym, you have to GPay me 200 rupees.
Not
I
just her,
think,
not just
I
her,
think,
us all.
yeah, and I think
Every day.
gyms should start doing this. I think
No,
they
no.
should have
Again,
like a 5,000 rupees membership, and they should have your address, and every day you don't show up, they should come to your home and collect money. That will make the entire country
उसको
healthy.
हफ्ता
Yeah.
वसूली
It's so
बोलते हैं.
smart.
You
Yeah.
realize इसको
But
Just
you're
This is
consenting
what-
for it. You're
just say,
consenting now.
just saying I took a membership in May. I have never
Okay.
gone till now.
Oh shit.
Venkat, this is the esteemed panel you asked advice for, okay?
No, so I'm looking for some positive reinforcement because negative
I also
reinforcement
went
will
to gym for
trigger you
2
much
days.
more.
Free
No,
sessions के लिए.
I used to go every day when I paid more amount.
Yeah,
Now
so
that
right?
I've paid less,
Right?
I'm not
yes,
going.
yes. I think Venkat, you should
Invest
start
more
paying
money.
more money. Yes,
Yeah, invest more money, then you will go out of guilt.
yes, yes.
There
I
is,
think that's
if you want, there is a gym in Phoenix Mall. It's some 40-50K. Pay that.
Yeah.
Celebrities also come
not
there. I
coming
heard.
to all the way to Chennai for this. No, I like the
Oh,
gym. Gym is actually cool and everything. And 24/7, when you go at 9 o'clock, nobody is there. It's very cool.
no,
and
the best thing
peaceful.
Yeah.
best thing, pay
But
more
You
money.
Going to
start
the place is the
sleeping there.
problem.
Just pay more money. Pay for 3 months. I think you are not a person with long-term
Hmm.
vision. I think short-term
Right.
goals is good. I think
Only
just
pay for 3
3 months you
months
should pay.
and keep continuing
Yes,
3 months. Then
yes,
once
That's
you're
what
yes.
I
regular,
do.
then
That-
take a year.
And then
Yeah,
then
that's what
take a
I do.
year
I
off.
pay for 3 months, then I pay again for 3 months.
Yes,
That's
yes,
what I was doing. Yeah, most
yes,
probably.
yes.
But now
And
that I've
once you
paid
see
for the
the
1 year,
difference,
I'm like,
transfer it to someone else, Nikhil Jain.
Yeah.
I mean, just for transferring sake, bro.
Yes, yes. Oh, I don't want to buy it right now, but it's nice. Cute that you thought about it. It's okay. I am saving money to invest on this podcast. Okay, to realize कर रहा है what I'm doing right now. So
I
I
thought
can't.
Hinge paid for it.
Fine.
No, he
Nice.
paid Hinge and he is
Yes, yes.
promoting Hinge.
right?
The only
Yes,
benefit
yes.
anybody is getting is Hinge. Not even
Hey,
him.
no, no, no.
Nikhil,
Hinge is
Hinge
not
is not
getting any.
watching. Just say.
Yes.
Shit.
Oh, what
Oh
if we
my God.
directly write sponsored by Hinge on if we are posting it?
And
मजा
Hindi
आ जाएगा,
shop,
bro.
did we?
We can actually do
We are
that.
not
Hindi?
talking about relationships
फिर
particularly, na.
फिर Hinge आके comment करेगा, need advice. I have this.
How to get rid of the
Get rid
podcast?
of Nikhil Jain.
How do I sue people?
That's when Nikhil's thing will actually be true that I'm investing in this podcast.
Yes,
Like,
yes. Hinge will start.
imagine
I am
Hinge rejecting
27
you.
male. Yes, yes. Hinge to already does, but anyway. So yes, I think that I think this we have reached the 2 hour mark right now. I think that would be it, guys, for now.
Yep.
This podcast was fucking super fun recording. Mast tha. Tum log kaisa laga? And I know like 2 people didn't like need advice, but it's fine. We will do need advice. There will be episodes where we will do this segment called Need Advice. But yes, thank you so much, everybody, all the panel members and whoever were listening and watching the episode. That was fun. And panel members, hope you like the episode. Tum logo kaisa laga for the
Oh,
first time
fun,
coming in?
fun.
Super fun.
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 Fun,
मस्त
yeah.
मजा
Nice.
आया
मजा आया.
Yes.
Maja hi hai.
Nice. Maja hi aa gaya. Nice. Thank you so much. And to people who are watching us, thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe, and Spotify maybe. Please follow us and watch the episode. And if you are here, we'll be, I think we'll be continuing like streaming episodes and uploading episodes on a regular basis now because I feel like I'm motivated enough now that I'm not on Hinge. So it's nice. I think I can do this. It's fun. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I think this would be it.
Thank you, Hinge.